Here is 11 ASL signs and phrases you can use within the deaf community. The sign binder. To sign binder, simply take both hands, form the letter F. Now what I do is I leave the index finger and the thumb in a circle just like this. This actually represents the metal on the binder that opens and closes. So from here, take your non-dominant hand, bring that up against the body just like this. Now, I am right-handed, so my right hand is my dominant hand and my left hand is my non-dominant hand. So I take my non-dominant hand, bring that up towards the body just like this with the palm facing up. Now with my dominant hand, bring that forward or further away from the body, and with one motion, you will go forward. But as you go forward, you open and close the index finger and the thumb, just like this. From the side, front again. That is how I sign binder. The sign duty. The sign is simply take your non-dominant hand, bring that out in the front of the body just like this with the palm facing down, making a fist. Now with your dominant hand, form the letter D. Now, if you did not know this was a D, I made a video on the alphabet, so I want you to take a look at that as well. Now with the D, take that and you will tap on the back of the wrist of the non-dominant hand twice, just like this. From the side and from the front again. That is how I sign duty. The sign utilize. To sign this, simply take your non-dominant hand, bring that out in front of the body just like this and form a fist. Now with your dominant hand, form the letter U. With this U, I rest it slightly on the back of the non-dominant fist, just like this. And from here, I will do a clockwise motion, slightly touching the back of the palm of the non-dominant hand, and do that twice, just like this. From the side, and from the front again. That is how I sign utilize. The sign tense. To sign this, simply take your dominant hand, extend out the index finger, and bring that to the chin. Once you bring it to the chin, you will twist it inwards, just like this. And at the same time, you will show on your face that it's a tense situation. From the side, front again. That is how I sign tense. The sign confirmation. The sign is simply take your non-dominant hand, bring it out in front of the body just like this and form a fist. Now notice the fist is on the side, palm faces the signer. Now with your dominant hand, bring the index finger to the mouth just like this. And then from here with one motion, you will turn the hand, open up the fingers, and rest them on top of the fist of the non-dominant hand, just like this. From the side, and from the front again. That is how I sign confirmation. The phrase laying the groundwork. To sign this, I actually use two separate signs. The first sign I use is established or set up. And to sign this, simply take your non-dominant hand, bring that out in front of the body just like this, and I form a fist. From here, I make an A with my dominant hand, and then twist it around just like this, and then lay it right there on top of the back of the non-dominant hand, just like this. Now from here, leave the non-dominant hand just as it is, but form a fist with the dominant hand. Bring that right up underneath the wrist of the non-dominant hand, go down and back upward closer to where the elbow is, just like this. So let me show you that from the side. Front again. I'm going to put that whole sign together, establish foundation. That is how I sign laying the groundwork. The phrase stick with the process. To sign this, I actually use two separate signs. The first sign is process, and the second portion is continue. Now let's go over the first portion, process. To sign this, what I do is I flex my fingers just like this, and then I rotate them around, going a little bit forward away from the body, just like this, from the side. Now for the second portion, continue. Just bring the thumbs together and pretend as though you're pushing something forward, just like this. So let's put the whole sign together. Process, continue, just like this. From the side, process, continue. That is how I sign stick with the process. For the phrase, just let us know. To sign, just simply take both hands, bring them together just like this. Notice my fingers are together just like this. Now from here, I will take my dominant hand, bring it to my forehead just like this, and then bring the other hand close just like this. And from here, I'm going to pretend as though I'm taking knowledge from myself and I'm going to distribute it around just like this. Now pretend as though someone's saying, let me know. Like if I'm going to say, just let me know, I'll actually do just the opposite. I'm going to pretend as though I'm taking knowledge from someone else and bringing it to my head or my brain, just like this. So let me show you that once again. Just let us know, or just let me know from the side. Let us know, or just let me know. That is how I sign let us know or let me know. For the phrase, I have no idea or I'm clueless. To sign is simply take your dominant hand. I form the letter F, but keep this in a circular shape, just like this. Bring that to the forehead, and you're going to actually pivot at the wrist, just like this. Now, show on your face that you're clueless. I have no idea. Once again, pretend someone's coming in your face and they're accusing, like, oh, I don't know what you're talking about. That is how I sign, I have no idea or I'm clueless. The phrase, time after time. For example, we've gone over this time after time after time. To sign that phrase, simply go time, again and again and again. Let's start with the first portion, time. Simply take your non-dominant hand, bring that out in front of the body just like this, forming a fist. With your index finger of your dominant hand, you will tap the wrist of the non-dominant hand either once or twice. And then from here, turn that non-dominant hand over where the palm now faces upward. With your dominant hand, bring the fingers together just like this, but flex them. And then from here, the dominant hand will touch repeatedly the palm of the non-dominant hand, just like this. So let me show you that whole sign together. That is how I sign time after time after time. For the phrase, get with me. Come on, get with me. In other words, support me. So to sign that, simply take your non-dominant hand, bring that out in front of the body, but this time make sure that your fist is on the side. From here, take your dominant hand, form a fist just like this, and from here, bring that right up underneath the fist of the non-dominant hand, just like this. So that is support. And I'll point back to me. Support me. Come on, get with me. From the side. Front again. That is how I sign, just get with me. In other words, support me. Now on this video, I've shown you a total of 11 signs and phrases. If you've learned anything from this video, or if you've even enjoyed anything from this video, maybe it caused you to have a little smile on your face, do me the honors of first hitting the like button. Next, hit the subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification button and stay tuned for my next ASL video.